Namaste to all. My today's podcast is dedicated to all my gurus who have played an important role to mold me into the person I am today. Guru Purnima is a religious festival dedicated to all the gurus. It is celebrated as a festival in India, Nepal, and Bhutan by Hindus, Jains, and Buddhists. It is observed on the full moon day, that is Purnima, in the month of Ashad, according to the Hindu calendar. It is also known as Purnima, as it marks the birthday of Ved Vyasji, the sage who wrote Mahabharata and compiled the Vedas into four separate books, that is Rigved, Samved, Yajurved, and Atharved. Rigved means to praise knowledge. Samved is considered as the root of Indian classical music and dance. Yajurved means worshipping knowledge, and Atharved explains the daily procedures of life in a well explained manner. In Buddhism, Guru Purnima is celebrated to honor Lord Buddha, who is said to have given his first religious speech at Sarnath on this day. In Jainism, Guru Purnima is marked as the day when Mahavir, the 24th Tirthakara, made Gautam Swami as his first disciple. Various cultural programs and activities are performed in schools, colleges, and ashrams to celebrate the bond between Guru and disciple. Guru Purnima is celebrated worldwide to honor all the Gurus. The one mantra dedicated to all the Gurus is Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasma Shri Guruve Namaha, which means Guru is the representative of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. He creates, sustains knowledge, and destroys the weeds of ignorance. I salute such a Guru. I wish you all again a happy Guru Purnima. Thank you.